everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be showing you how I make this Afang soup, which is Ukazi soup in Nigeria, right? So if you want to see how I make this soup, keep watching. So guys, these are the ingredients. I'm using this big crayfish and small crayfish, onion, stockfish, isam, some nut cube, dry catfish, salt, and the Ukazi that I'm using for this. This is the spinach. I already sliced it. I'm going to be using red oil as well. Some meat. You can use any meat of your choice. Just check the description, okay, for all the ingredients I'm using for this recipe. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to slice the onion. I showed you earlier. I chop the onion to your desired choice. Then I'm going to add it into the meat. I'm going to go ahead now to add the nut cube inside as well. Then I'm also going to season it with salt. Okay, this soup, I'm not on this meat, I'm not going to be adding water into it. So after adding them, I'm going to stir them like I always do. I love to season the meat I'm using for soup with pepper, so I added a little bit of pepper. I'm going to stir all together. Yes, just stir all together. Then I'll put the lid on and allow them to cook without water. The water that they will cook with is the water that will come out of the meat. So but you can go ahead to add water if you want, okay? So when the meat is cooking, and I love to clean my crayfish with hot water and salt. So there I'm adding the hot water into the fish and the crayfish now. So here is some minutes. As you can see, the meat is cooking. I just want to check and make sure that they are cooking very well, and I added the stockfish into the meat. If you're using Kpomo, go ahead and add the Kpomo together with the meat. Okay, this is the Kpomo sauce I made earlier, the one that remained. I chopped them and I decided to use them together with the soup. So add the Kpomo inside with the stockfish. Okay, stir everything and cover them to continue cooking. You can even use chicken for this soup, depends on you, the protein you want to use. So I'm going to put back the lid on and allow that to continue cooking. So for the blender, I'm going to add the Ukazi that I'm using, yes, into the blender. I'm going to be using the blender to blend them. So I'm going to add a little bit of water, not too much water guys, a little water that can help me blend them. So because the crayfish is not blended, I've already washed the crayfish, I'm going to be blending the Ukazi with the crayfish together. So that is what I'm going to be doing here, okay? So after blending, I'm going to set that aside. Moving it back to the meat, as you can see, the meat is cooked and I did not add any water. Like I said, you can use a little bit of water to steam your meat if you want. Okay, so I'm just going to stir them around and make sure that the meat is well cooked. Now I'm going to add this dry smoked catfish that I'm using. I'm going to add the isam and the big crayfish, which is oporo they call in River State. Stir them all up together. So after stirring them, now I'm going to make sure that the salt I put there is enough. Okay, so after adding the fish, I'm going to be adding the spinach. Yeah, so go ahead and add the spinach into the meat. Stir them all up together. Then after stirring them, I love to add the oil immediately into the soup. Okay, so now I'm adding the oil. This soup needs a lot of oil, so just be a little bit generous with the oil you're adding into it. After adding the oil, I just like it to stay there. I just put the lid on, but as you can see, the pot is not completely covered. I allow the spinach to cook down for 3 minutes. Now is after 3 minutes, is 3 minutes or 3 minutes have passed. I'm just going to stir them all up together. Okay, if you want to cook them more than 3 minutes, you can go ahead and do so. Just go ahead and stir them very, very well. This soup, the spinach is going to release the water, so this is why I'm not using, or I'm not adding water into this soup, but you can add. I'm correcting the seasoning. I'm adding extra 1 knorr cube from the one I used to season the meat, and a little bit of salt. Okay, so after doing that, I'm going to stir all of them together. The soup is almost cooked, guys, as you can see there, because I don't like to overcook my spinach. Okay, so now after testing it, the next thing I'm going to be adding there is the, as you can see, there's a little bit liquid there because the spinach releases. So now I'm going to add the Ukazi inside it, the blended one inside the soup. You don't want to overcook this vegetable. So now I'm going to stir everything up together and allow them to stay on the heat for 2 minutes. And I added extra oil because I think it needed extra oil, but you can choose not to add extra oil. Okay, it's your choice. So I'm going to stir them and allow them to stay on a heat for 2 to 3 minutes, maximum 3 minutes, guys, because you don't want to overcook that Ukazi that you added there. So yeah, that is complete. The soup is ready, guys. As you can see, it's ready and it tastes delicious, like amazing. This soup is so delicious. This is one of the traditional way Cross River people make this soup. They don't use water, but you can go ahead to add your water if you want them to be a little bit watery. But this is how I love the soup. Okay, it tastes so amazing, so delicious, guys. It's so delicious. I hope you will give this soup a try. Believe me, you are going to love it. You will love it. Okay, so yeah, that is just the final stir that I'm giving the soup, and I'm going to turn off the heat. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you do so for more videos that will be coming up soon, guys. And if you have any suggested cooking video you want me to upload, leave the comment at the comment section below and I will get back to you. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, don't forget to share this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it to your loved ones, and make the soup and let me know what you think about it. Yes, guys, I can't wait to dive into this soup. Like seriously, I enjoyed this soup so very much. Here is me trying to eat this soup, guys. It was so delicious, so amazing. Come and join me, go make yours, and come back and let me know what you think. Thank you for watching, guys, and I will see you on my next one. God bless you all. Bye.